Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we are doing an update review about Peng. Peng, of course, I already made 2 videos about, however that has already been more than a week ago, and right now Peng is looking extremely interesting. So this is the chart of Peng. I just quickly wanted to talk to you guys about Peng and what can we expect for this project. Should you still buy this project? Can this still go to all-time high and much further? And basically, if this is just going to die out right now, or if this is still going to get another leg up. So that are basically the questions I'm answering in this video. We have a lot to cover, so let's immediately get started. Before I do that, however, I quickly wanted to say that if you want to buy or sell Solana meme coins, I would recommend doing this through a Telegram trading /sniperbot. You can basically buy and sell Solana meme coins now on Telegram. The bot I'm currently using is called Trojan. I will have linked the first link in the description. Make sure you go check it out. It's the bot I am using to trade Solana meme coins. It's much faster than Radium. Plus you have limit orders, dollar cost average orders, copy trading, liquidity pool sniper, and much more. So yeah, basically go check it out. First link is in the description. It's the easiest way in order to buy and sell Solana meme coins. That being said, let's look at the chart. So of course we all know that basically Peng literally went from $1 million in market cap here all the way to $200 million in market cap. But ever since it reached that level, it just went down significantly. Right now, as we can see, it is currently down about 70%, and I do have to say that most of the time Solana meme coins and just meme coins in general tend to dip about 70% before getting another leg up. So right now it's either make it or break it. And what do I mean by this? Well, right now we are, as we can see right now, at gigantic support. I mean, this is the biggest area of support we have right now, and if we break that area of support, then it could crash much more to the downside. We can see we have already supported a lot from off this level, and basically what we want to see if this wants another leg up is simply a potential rounding bottom. However, if we do not get that rounding bottom and we simply crash through this orange line right here, then that could be fatal and bringing us all the way back down to our next area of support, which is going to be right here at a $30 million market cap. So right now the level we are trading at is extremely important. So what do I think? Is this going to basically drop further or not? Well, in my opinion, it has everything to do with Solana. Right now we can see Solana is trading at $170 and had a significant dip in the last few days. Basically ever since we can see that Peng topped out here at around 15th of March, and right now if we look at the Solana chart, we can see Solana topped out here at around between the 15th and the 18th of March. We got one more push on the 18th, and ever since basically that top on Solana and Peng, both have just gone down significantly, meaning that if Solana potentially drops even further, maybe all the way back to 150 or lower, then I think that Peng is not going to survive this, and it's most likely going to drop here all the way back to $30 million in market cap and potentially even lower, meaning that the project is basically dead. Of course it can still be revived. I mean, I do have to say that the team is still pushing like crazy, which is bullish. They're still doing tweets every single hour basically, still having gigantic spaces with massive exchanges, which is bullish. Their website is still up to date and being updated every single day. I mean, their holders, basically the distribution is still looking extremely good right now. No gigantic wallets basically. And yeah, basically we have seen projects basically die and then just come back to life. I mean, literally Popcat has done it twice already. It literally went up like crazy, died out, went up like crazy, died out again, and went up again. So I wouldn't be surprised if maybe the same happens for Peng. It's just extremely important right now, as in what is Solana and Bitcoin going to do. Because if Bitcoin crashes to $60,000 or $50,000 in the next couple of days, then Peng will definitely go down as well. But if Solana just holds here, potentially making somewhat of a double bottom, and just as long as we don't break that $168 level and it just bounces from here, then I think that Peng is just making a perfect rounding bottom, and it's going to go much higher from here, breaking all-time high and potentially going to $3, $4, $5. So yeah, currently basically everything just hangs off if Solana is going to pump or dump. Of course, nobody really knows what is going to happen with Solana. Right now, I do have a feeling that the potential local bottom is in. I mean, we have revisited this level twice, and I won't be surprised if we make somewhat of a double bottom. That will be extremely bullish, and then we can just continue the uptrend, of course. So for Solana, it will look really decently. We can see that every other big Solana meme coin has basically also dropped, so it isn't that weird that Peng is also going down like this. I mean, Popcat has 3 times the liquidity and is also down gigantically from its all-time high. Currently, Popcat, for example, is down also about 50%. Peng about 70, but that's because the liquidity and market cap is much lower, of course. So right now, it's just happening with meme coins across the board. I mean, basically every single meme coin right now is a little bit down because Solana is dumping. But once we break $200, and that's maybe going to happen this week, potentially next week. I think next week, maybe next week is going to be a good week again for crypto and Solana. Then I think that if we just simply go up from of this level for Solana, then Peng is definitely going to survive this. However, unfortunately, if Solana is going to drop to $140, $150 in the next couple of weeks or maybe days even, then that could be catastrophic for Peng, and I'm just going to say it, then Peng will crash much harder from here, potentially to that $20 to $30 million market cap. And yeah, that's basically all I have to report right now on Peng. So yeah, Peng is in an extremely interesting position. It's either going to just go gigantically up from this level, literally meaning to all-time high more than a 3x, which is decent money if you put in with big size, of course, which is a pretty cool play. I mean, on high liquidity, it's decent. However, it's also a risky play because if Solana simply drops from here, then it could also go down another 50% extremely quickly. So that's basically what you need to do. It's either you take the risk or not. You need to see if the risk reward is good for you. But yeah, right now, nobody knows what Solana is going to do, and Peng also nobody knows. This is just what we know so far. It is going to drop. If Solana drops, it's going to go up. If Solana goes up. And yeah, basically it's an extremely important support level right here. So I will definitely recommend keeping an eye on this. Of course, all the project links of this of Peng are in the description below, so you can check them out yourself if you want to. And yeah, that's basically all I have to report on Dollar Peng. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers as soon as possible. It will be crazy. And yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next crypto meme coin review.